So, Hurricane Jackson, what do you have there today?
A fizzy egg.
Did Santa bring you a Jurassic World Fizzy Egg?
Yeah, I haven't opened this one yet, but one day I've opened the other one. The orange one.
Was it super cool?
Yeah, but
so we thought, Hurricane Jackson, did we think that your subscribers would enjoy watching this?
Yeah, but let's open it.
Okay, let's open it up. What color is that? Green? And
No,
what kind
blue.
of...
I said blue.
Blue? And what kind of dinosaurs on the front of that?
A mosasaurus.
A mosasaurus? Okay, and you've got a bowl full of water to fizz it up and see what's in it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, drop it in.
So
it feels good. Does it smell good?
It smells really cool.
It does.
It smells like water.
Okay, get it in there. Let's see. Oh, what's it doing? Oh.
It's fishing. How long did you wait with the sword you're watching?
Oh my.
On YouTube.
It's so cool. And do you have some of your dinosaur friends there watching to see what's inside the egg? Yeah.
I'm not looking at it. The T-Rex is going to get close.
Hurricane Jackson, do you love dinosaurs?
Yeah.
What's your favorite dinosaur, you think? All of them. Yeah, me too. I love them all. Look at all that fizz.
It's turning
Look
blue.
at all that fizz. They smell so good. Oh my.
I see a crack in it.
You see a crack in it? Oh my goodness.
Cracks in it. Cracks are coming.
Is it cracking open? Oh.
I found it.
Oh my goodness. I wonder what's it gonna be.
That's why I'm gonna do the other one.
Yeah?
We're gonna make a video again about the other one.
So your subscribers need to be sure to check back tomorrow for another video, your first one of the new year. Oh, what is that? I'm starting to see something. Oh. Say we like to do them in a bowl instead of in the bathtub.
So that we can see them.
Yeah, so we can watch it and see what's going to happen with it.
Yeah. Yep, we can't see it in the bathtub because we need 2 teeth.
And who gave you these?
Santa.
Santa Claus for Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah. Santa Claus, he's a pretty awesome dude, huh?
I'm good.
Are you kind of trying to help it?
Yeah. Trying to make it deep so I'll do it more.
Oh, yeah. It smells good.
It smells like water.
It smells like water.
Water and cherry. It smells like water and cherry.
Water and cherry. Yum.
That's
Oh, what is that floating? Huh? What is that? Ooh, what do you have?
a dog tag is a mosasaurus.
A mosasaurus dog tag? Turn it so I can see.
I told your mom I'm going to do the next one, but I want to do every.
So it's a mosasaurus? Is a mosasaurus a carnivore or an herbivore? A carnivore, yes indeed. And they swim in the water?
Yeah.
So, tell your viewers, say be sure to like my video.
Be sure to like my video and subscribe. Bye.